Have you ever struggled to keep track of assignments, quizzes, projects, and deadlines during the semester? No? Then you're going to love this. First, we'll build the template. At the top, type the title, Student Semester Task Tracker. Now let's create the headings. Type, Activities. Then enter the milestone stages. Start, Midpoint, Review, Submit, Complete. Finally, add the summary columns. To do, Completed, Excellent, Party Popper. Now adjust the column width so everything looks neat, balanced, and easy to read. Next, let's format the headings. Select the milestone headings. Change the text direction to vertical. Center align them. Make them bold. And apply a background color. Fantastic! Your tracker is already starting to look professional. Now select the remaining headings. Center align them. Make them bold. And apply different colors so each section stands out clearly. Next, format the title. Increase the font size. Make it bold. And apply a strong color to give your tracker a clean, modern look. Perfect. Now enter your semester activities. Now apply borders to the table. Instantly, your worksheet looks clean, structured, and ready to use. Now comes the exciting part, the Smart Progress Indicators. Rocket. Select the milestone area. Go to Conditional Formatting. Click New Rule. And choose Icon Sets. Pick the icon style you like. Now change the type to number. Set the first value to 1. Then check the option. Show icons only. Press OK. Amazing! Your student semester task tracker is now interactive. Let's test it. Type 1 when a milestone is completed, or 0 if it hasn't been completed yet. Now let's calculate the completed percentage. Use the countif function to count how many milestones have been completed. Next, calculate the to-do percentage to see how much work is still remaining. Once both formulas are ready, drag them down for all activities. Excellent! Everything updates automatically. Now let's make the tracker even more visual. Select the To-Do column. Go to Conditional Formatting. Choose Data Bars. And customize them. Change the type to Formula. Keep the minimum value as 0 and the maximum value as 1. Choose a color that clearly represents pending work. Now change the direction from right to left. Press OK. Wonderful! Pending tasks are now easy to identify. Next, select the completed column. Again, choose Data Bars. Customize them the same way. Change the type to Formula. Keep the minimum value as 0 and the maximum value as 1. Now choose a color to represent completed work. Press OK, and neatly format the percentage values. And just look at that. Your student semester task tracker is now fully interactive, visually appealing, and incredibly easy to use. Now you can track every assignment, monitor your progress, stay organized throughout the semester, and always know what needs your attention next. Like, share and follow Excel Stacks for more Excel tutorials, study tools, and productivity tips.